join us on February 17th for ARC's Smart City Forum presentation on smart city platforms regarding justification, architectures, and use cases. Smart city platforms take data from multiple siloed applications in a city. What happens in one city system or function often has an impact across multiple functional silos. End users, however, are still largely in the dark when it comes to practical use cases for smart city platforms. Technology is only good as the value it provides, be it social, business, or environmental. Presented in this session will be a number of compelling use cases for smart city platforms and their associated value to the end user. The session is moderated by ARC's Larry O'Brien. I'd also like to remind everyone that registration for the forum typically is a $495 value. It is free for end users of smart city platform technologies. Plus, ARC Advisory Group includes a free membership in our end user only Smart Cities Digital Transformation Council community, which meets regularly throughout the year. It's a discussion group of smart city best practices hosted by and for our smart city end users. We hope to see you on February 17th. Thank you.